when you look at all of it, why would you want anything? Why would you settle for anything less?
Exactly.
If you know all of it?
What are the main advantages of the MACH reactor compared to other technologies?
So to sum it up, I mean, the MACH reactor is extreme. We're the most extreme in terms of the cavitation effect. We build the largest reactors that need zero maintenance, that have a life way beyond 10 years, that can operate on really low gas pressure. And when you look at all of that, and sure, you get the recovery benefits, etc. When you look at all of it, why would you want anything? Why would you settle for anything less?
Exactly.
If you know all of this?
Yeah.
So that is sort of my
sense.
challenge to the industry.
Yes, even the customizability of it, it's just so versatile. It can be in any shape,
exactly.
size, form, material. It's just
Precisely.
so diverse.
And recently in base metals, we've installed reactors that we had to custom build because they went into very, very low pH environments, lots of free acid around, which is very corrosive.
Yeah.
And we managed to build a reactor that can withstand those conditions. So yeah, we are fully customizable. It really depends on the client needs. We always listen to our clients. If it's a very specific application, we will build according to that.
Amazing. And I know you love poetry. Is there any type of poetry or poem that you have to speak on this topic further?
Funny you should mention that. But there was one that I thought I would recite.
Really? No ways.
So it was one I thought I'd recite to you.
Okay.
And I hope I don't come across as being too complacent or too arrogant with it. Yes, in every race, there's one who leads, relentless and unrivaled, a force beyond the ordinary, a machine made to transcend, the MACH, leaving others in the wake of dust and data, mastering minerals and reigning supreme.
Bravo.